welcome to Asian Home Kitchen. My name is Tik. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Thai ding. In Thailand we have popular Thai ding we call Cha Yen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make it and show you the way to make the tea provide more aroma. Let's get started. Alright, the main ingredient that you need is a Thai tea. You can find it on Amazon and Asian Go series. You're gonna see a hand on the package and it says hand brand. This brand is an iconic brand that we use in Thailand. Okay, we can start to making. I got a salt tea. Fortunately, I got one before they sold all of them. In this recipe, I add 4 tablespoons of tea for strong taste and smell of the tea. If you think it's too much, you can reduce it. 250 ml of hot water. Pour the tea from one container to the other. You can do this about 5 times. The reason why I do this because the tea release more aroma as it passes through the air. So you can do more than 5 times if you want. After that, I'm gonna use a plate to cover my tea. You can use anything to cover the tea and soak it about 10 minutes. As the tea is soaking, I'm gonna mix the milk. Add 100 ml of sweet condensed milk. Add 150 ml of evaporated milk. Then pour it into the bowl. Next, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar and add a little bit salt like this. Mix very well and set it aside. There are a lot of small pieces of the tea leaf. I recommend using a cloth filter when making the tea to prevent the small pieces from getting into the tea. Alright, after 10 minutes, I'm gonna squeeze the tea. If you don't like strong taste and smell, you don't need to do this. When you squeeze the tea, I recommend using a glove. If you don't want the tea color stick on your hand, even though you wash your hand many times, it's still stuck on your hand. Then pour the milk into the tea and leave it for later. I'm gonna show you another drink from the rest of the tea. Add hot water about 175 ml. You can repeat it about 3 times. After 3 times, throw it away. It doesn't taste good at all. Then soak it about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're gonna get back to combine the tea. This is the way to combine the tea. Pour the tea from one container to the other. Try to hold the tea as high as you can. It is the same reason that I told you before, to release more aroma as it passes through the air. Of course, it's a little tip how to make your tea provide more aroma. In coffee shop in Thailand, they do this way to make this tea taste better. When you go to Thailand, you will see some of shops show you how to do this and they're professional, but I am not, so don't judge me, okay? You can do this many times you want. Now I'm done. Leave Cha Yen for later and then we're gonna make Cha Manaw. Of course, I like to squeeze it, then throw the rest of the tea away. And then add sugar about 3 tablespoons. Add lime juice. I recommend add 1 tablespoon first and taste it. If you want more sour, you can add more. Finally, add a little bit salt. Mix well and set it aside. So I got 3 jars with full ice and one of them I gonna add tapioca pearl. I cook about 20 minutes to make sure when you add them in the drink with a lot of ice, they'll still soften. Okay, I'm gonna add more ice on top of them. Before pour the tea into the jar, I'm gonna having fun again. The first one we call Cha Nom Khai Muk. The second one we call Cha Yen. And the third one we call Cha Manaw. And I add a few pieces of lemon. I add a little more evaporated milk, but I want you to taste the tea first before you add it in, okay? Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed the tea that you made. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 3 days. After 3 days, it's not gonna taste good. Throw it away. Alright, that's what I have left. Not much. And I'm gonna drink all of them. This one we call Cha Manaw or lime tea. So it's supposed to be sweet and sour. It depends on your taste. You can add sugar or lime. It depends on your taste, okay? This one we call Cha Yen. Cha mean tea, Yen mean cool yeah of course so good this one we call ชานมไข่มุกไข่มุก it mean tapioca pearl you can use any brand you like it doesn't matter โอเคชามะนาวล้ามทีชาเย็นชานมไข่มุก when you drink it another day it tastes a lot better alright I hope you enjoy thank you for watching my video don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video bye bye